Hello students, now we do the difference between suspension, colloidal solutions and true solutions. Suspension, colloids and true solutions are the three types of the solutions which are based upon the size of the particles. ठीक है. First point is nature. Suspension is it is heterogeneous in nature. Colloidal solution is also heterogeneous in nature and true solutions are homogeneous in nature. Particle size. The size of particles of suspension are more than 1000 nanometer and the size of the particles of the colloidal solution lies between 1 nanometer to 1000 nanometer and the size of the particles of the true solution is less than 1 nanometer. Separation. First, ordinary filter paper. They are pass through ordinary filter paper. They cannot pass through ordinary filter paper. They are not possible pass through ordinary filter paper. But ultrafiltration है, the particles are passed through ultrafilter paper. They are also passed through ultrafilter paper. They are not possible to pass through ultrafilter paper. Setting of the particle. The particles are settled by the under process of gravity. They settle done only centrifugation, and the particles of the true solution does not settle down. Visibility. The particle visible to naked eye or under a microscope. मतलब हम पार्टिकल को नेक आई से भी देख सकते हैं और अंडर माइक्रोस्कोप भी देख सकते हैं. इसमें स्कैटरिंग ऑफ लाइट बाय द पार्टिकल इज ऑब्जर्व्ड अंडर अल्ट्रा माइक्रोस्कोप. मतलब अल्ट्रा माइक्रोस्कोप में जो पार्टिकल्स है वो लाइट को स्कैटर करते हैं तो उससे हमें पता लग जाता है कि सोल्यूशन में पार्टिकल्स हैं. द पार्टिकल्स आर इनविजिबल. इसमें जो पार्टिकल्स है वो इनविजिबल है. अपीयरेंस. सस्पेंशन सोल्यूशन इज अपेक. कोलाइडल सोल्यूशन इज जनरली ट्रांसपेरेंट and true solution is also transparent. Tyndall effect. Suspension show Tyndall effect. Colloidal solution also show Tyndall effect and true solution does not show Tyndall effect. What is the Tyndall effect? Tyndall effect is the scattering of light. Diffusion of the particle. The particle do not diffuse, मतलब do not mix with each other. They diffuse slowly and they diffuse rapidly. इसमें जो particles है बहुत जल्दी एक दूसरे से mix करते हैं. Brownian movement में शो जो सस्पेंशन है वो कुछ ब्राउनियन मूवमेंट शो करते हैं. ब्राउनियन मूवमेंट इज द zigzag motion of the particles. Colloidal solution also show Brownian movement and the true solution does not show Brownian movement. So these are the difference between the suspension, colloidal and true solution.